everybody, thank you so much for clicking my video to watch. Welcome to day 3 of 5 days of fall. I'm doing a makeup tutorial every single day for 5 days in a row for the fall time. I want to focus this tutorial on being really glam and use more neutral tones and a pop of gold in there. So before we hop on into the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know how I got this look, then please just keep watching. So I'm going to first start off with my face. I'm going to go in with my Wander Beauty Glow Ahead face oil and use this to prime my skin and make it for a super glowy base. And I know I'm using a sample right now, but I really wanted to try the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I believe that's what it's called. So I just kind of took a few of the sample colors and mixed them all together just so I could try it out before, you know, spending like $60 on a foundation. So I did that. And now moving on to concealer. I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. That shade I was using was a little too light, so I moved on to my Maybelline Superstay Concealer and used a little bit of a darker shade. This one is in the shade Fair, and I will be sure to link all of the products below. I'm going to be using a cream contour today, so I'm going with my Fenty Beauty Mocha Match Stick just to put that into the hollows of my cheeks and the rest of my face. I want to contour. I want to keep my skin super glowy, so that's why I'm going with the cream today. Going in with my Pretty Vulgar Loose Setting Powder, I'm going to go ahead and set everywhere I put down my concealer. I'm using my Too Faced Sweethearts Bronzer for my bronzer today. It's super luminous and it will go with the glowy look so well, so I am just putting that all over my face. And then for blush, I'm going in with one of my favorites. It is the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach Blush. I'm just popping that onto both of the apples of my cheeks and drinking it backwards. And then for my highlighter, I'm going in with my Anastasia Loose Highlighter in the shade So Hollywood because I want to be super blinding today, so I'm kind of putting it in extra spots I don't normally, like on my chin, and then I'm putting a little bit of Becca Opal right on top. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going into my CoverGirl Chocoholic palette and taking that brown shade for my transition shade, putting that all into my crease, and then I took the exact same shade again, but I'm just focusing it on the outer corners of my eyes just so I can deepen those up and smoke them out. Then I'm also taking that same shade yet again and putting it on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to move on to my CoverGirl Sunsets palette because I want to use the gold in there, and with my finger I'm just putting it onto the inner part of my lid and really dragging it up towards my brow and getting that gold shade everywhere. Now I'm spraying my brush with some setting spray and taking the opal highlighter again and putting it right on top of the gold shade. I just want it to really pop and make it look a little bit like a wet look. Now using the freaking best liquid eyeliner ever, this is the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Slick With It eyeliner. And oh my gosh, it's so good. So I'm just creating a winged liner with this. For my lashes, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop BFF mascara and just coat my upper and lower lashes with this. And then I'm going to put on some false lashes, and the false lashes I use were the 105 Glamour lashes from Ardell. Finishing off the look with my lips, I'm going to go in with my NYX lip liner in the shade Dainty Days just to go ahead and line them. And then for the lipstick, I'm using Too Faced Doll Face. I wanted a really light nude, so I chose this one, and I also wanted to be glossy, so I'm going in with the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in the shade Peach Tea. Okay guys, well that is it for the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my favorite one I've done so far. So please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it. Come back tomorrow for the 4th day of 5 days of fall so you don't miss out on any. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! I've been